nice.
No color, I think. Probably pissed I can't get to the food.
Ooh, little bark.
Feisty one. No greens. Like, I'm done. That was crawl. Oh. Come on, you gotta get over.
She will. See, she's gonna do it.
Oh, oh, oh.
You can do it.
Daisy!
Had the right idea.
Stay there, Daisy. She's coming over. Stay.
Now
Oh, my
she's
phone's
gonna
dying.
get over and then come back. Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Come on, Green, you can do it. Are they growling at each other?
Nah.
I don't want to stop recording if I'm gonna go over.
Who's the first one that got over?
No color or is it white?
Daisy, lay down. Let White get some. In the corner. You're close, no. You're close, White. Good dog, Daisy.
Why is it freaking out?
Because it can't find Mom Dukes.
She's thinking that she's gonna find the entrance to the other side, I think.
Oh, she wants to come back?
Probably. I don't know. She got her.
Oh, here we go. Coming in for the kill.
Yep, right in the butt. Oh. Found food.
So then Purple.
And then look at the others sleeping.
Purple got pretty raunchy.
Yeah, but White did figure it out pretty quick how to get over there. Daisy's just...
Get away from
Get away.
Has No Color been eating this whole time?
Yep.
She's gonna get sick.
She's gonna get big.
Yeah, that's when you need to keep.
She could be like, you could just be like, go to the liquor store and get me a 30 rack. And then stick money in your collar.
That's right. There is a guy that's a handicapped guy that I don't know where he is, where he lives, but